Let's solve this together. It says x over 10 dot x over 10 is equal to 10 over x dot 10 over x. We're required to solve for the value or values of x in this equation. Okay, so we have x times x to be x squared divided by 10 times 10 to be 10 squared, and this 10 squared over x squared. Okay, now x squared times x squared is x to the power of 4, and 10 squared times 10 squared is 10 to the power of 4. Okay, so we have that x raised to the power of 4 is equal to 10 raised to the power of 4. Now at this point, you can say that x raised to the power of 4 minus 10 raised to the power of 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now we can re-express this as x raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 10 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2 to be equal to 0. Okay, this is the difference of two squares. Now with the law of difference of two squares, we're going to have that this squared minus this squared will be equal to a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay, so apply the same law here. So we're going to have that this becomes x squared minus 10 squared multiplied by x squared plus 10 squared, and this is equal to 0. Okay, so moving on from here, you can see that the product of two things are equal to 0. When the product of two things are equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either that x squared minus 10 squared is equal to 0. Okay, now again, this is difference of two squares, so apply the same law. We're going to have x minus 10 multiplied by x plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, now from here we now have that it's either that x is equal to 10 or minus 10. Hence, we can write this as plus or minus 10, okay, as the value for our x. So for our x2, okay, we're going to have our x3 and x4, because this is two values. We're going to have that x squared plus 10 squared is equal to 0. Okay, we use the sum of two squares. So we have a squared plus b squared to be equal to a plus bi multiplied by a minus bi. Okay, so applying the same law here, we're going to have that this becomes x plus 10i multiplied by x minus 10i to be equal to 0. Okay, from here we now have that our x will be equal to plus or minus 10i. Right, so these are the answers for x in this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.